Hello everyone, welcome to our DC car charging station workshop. We have assembled a lot of car charging stations here. Our charging stations have a power range from 60 to 240 kilowatts. Look, this is our new design charger. Its shell is grey. It is equipped with 2 charging guns and 2 types of charging heads, CCS2 and JBT. The charging current can range from 125 to 250 ampere. Generally, it takes about half an hour to charge the electric vehicle to around 80% of its battery capacity. As you can see, the workers are installing the chargers. These are the important accessories inside. They are all from famous brands and with quality guarantees. If you are interested in our DC charging stations, please contact me quickly. I will wait for your inquiries. See you next time.